Free patent leather bred Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the bred patent leather Air Jordan 1. This giveaway ends at the end of January. I will be announcing the winner here on YouTube. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. I'm also giving away UNC 6s with some sneaker YouTubers. Make sure you guys check the description down below. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. Check out this post right here and make sure you get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of UNC 6s. If you love sneaker content and you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Get me to 50,000 subscribers. At 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna have a huge sneaker giveaway, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up. Let's see if we can run up this video to 1,000 likes. Sneakerheads, listen up. I need to tell you guys about Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes the best affordable bags for sneakerheads in the game. All Sole Premise bags are made to hold your sneakers. They have actual individual compartments to hold your sneakers when you're traveling. Along with your sneakers, you could also fit your laptop, tons of accessories, clothes, whatever you need for your travel needs. Sole Premise has backpacks, duffel bags, new stroller bags, all different types of bags, all different colors, all different styles made for sneakerheads. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. The link is down below in the description, and make sure you use my discount code DannyMoore to save 40% off your order. That is a huge amount of money off. So whether you're traveling day to day or just traveling for a few days, maybe a week or two, make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. I love my Sole Premise bags. I use them all the time, guys. Yes, this video is sponsored, but I honestly use Sole Premise bags all of the time. I have a ton of them. I love their bags. They're so great. They're made for sneakerheads and they're great quality. I take their bag with me almost everywhere I go nowadays, guys. Trust me, check out Sole Premise. The link and discount code are down below in the description. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, so much for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love my Sole Premise bag. This low-key Air Jordan 1 is on the rise. Resale has already gone up on this Air Jordan 1, but I don't believe that resale is done. I think this sneaker can easily go up another $100. When the sneaker released, they were not going for too much over retail at all. I would say about 30, 40 bucks over retail. They have now already gone up to like 220 to 250, 260, depending on the size. And if you ask me, this sneaker's not done. It's not too late for this Jordan 1. I think this Jordan 1 is going to be roughly $350. This colorway, this color blocking, everything is there for this Jordan 1 in today's day and age to go up in price. I no longer have the sneaker in hand. I did have the sneaker out in California when I was there. I'll show you guys some B-roll of the shoe as I talk about them. I say this is a low-key Jordan 1 because I feel like a lot of people slept when it came to resale on this Jordan 1, which I just thought and kind of knew it was going to go up in price. Resale was going for around 130, 140. They have since gone up to, like I said, 220 to 250. I don't believe that they're done though. Air Jordan 1 I am talking about is the Air Jordan 1 UNC Low, back released in 2021. It took a few months for this sneaker to go up, not too long at all. This was a great investment, a great low-key cheap Air Jordan 1 investment. If you bought pairs when they released, if you were able to get them for like 30, 40 bucks over retail, you definitely made a very nice profit if you held on to your pairs. I personally did not get this Jordan 1. I missed out on this one. It is what it is. I do miss out on investments. This was an easy call in my opinion. This sneaker was definitely gonna go up in price. Grade School has since as well gone up in price, and I think it's not too late for Grade School either. Grade School might go up another like 50, 60 bucks as well. Grade School right now is roughly like 170, 180. I do believe those will go to like 250. A huge shout out to Aria for letting me check out these Jordan 1 lows when we were in California. Make sure you guys check out It's Aria MHD. Link down below in the description to his YouTube channel. Make sure you guys go check him out and be sure to subscribe. He also talks about sneaker resale, so make sure you guys check him out. Link down below. As far as the sneaker itself, take a look at the colors, take a look at the color blocking. You do have the white midsole, the white toe box. These were just gonna go up in price, and that blue, that UNC blue, today's day and age, it's gonna do well. So there's a few reasons why I believe this sneaker has gone up in price and will continue to go up in price. So with the resale starting off so low at just like $30, $40 over retail, they were easily gonna go up to $200 minimum because of the color blocking as well as the colorway with the UNC blue. White toe box, white midsection with a nice solid UNC blue along with the navy upper. Guys, they were bound to go up in price. So resale right now being $220 to $250 in the men's sizes and around $180 in the grade school sizes. Why do I think these will continue to go up in price? Because of the UNC blue. The hype is there for this UNC blue. Take a look at any other UNC blue sneaker. They've all gone up in price and are continuing to rise in price. Take a look at UNC 4s. Take a look at University blue 1s. Of course, this is a Jordan 1 low, but take a look at any other Jordan 1 low with this same color blocking. Smoke grays or purple, royal. There's been a ton of colorways in this Jordan 1 just like this, just with different colors that have all gone up in price and are continuing to rise. So even though this sneaker has gone up in price, I do believe they will continue to go up in price, and I'm excited to see where these wind up actually peaking at. Every sneaker has its peak, remember that, so these are not gonna go up to like $1,000, but remember, these are still a very good investment, so if you got in early, you did well. It's not too late to get in though, remember that. Personally, this is not a must cop for me. I want you to leave a comment down below. Let me know if these are a cop or a drop. If these are a cop for you, put a bunch of fire emojis. If these are a drop, an easy pass, put a trash emoji. I want to see who actually wants these Jordan 1 lows in their collection, so make sure you guys leave that comment down below. I do like the sneaker. My only complaint is that it's not an OG Air Jordan 1 low. I do prefer the OG style Air Jordan 1 lows personally, but this is still a very clean sneaker and a very dope, low-key Air Jordan 1 investment. They're on the rise. I don't think it's too late. I think if you already bought them, you can continue to hold them if you can afford to. If not, go ahead and sell them, let them go and take your profits because you definitely made a good amount of money on this sneaker. If you want to invest, I think it's not too late. If you want a personal, I think you need to cop them now. Go ahead and buy them because they're just going to continue to go up in price. Like I said, I see them easily going up like another $100. The UNC colorway is there. The UNC hype is still there. We're going to get more UNC sneakers. Speaking of which, I'm actually giving away a pair of UNC 6s. Make sure you guys check the link down below in the description for that giveaway. And speaking about free giveaways, make sure you guys enter in the patent leather bread Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in bread patent leather Air Jordan 1. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the UNC Air Jordan 1 low. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. This sneaker, man, is just a very dope Air Jordan 1 low, and I hope we get more of this type of color blocking. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.